Okay, so what you guys are going to do today is you're going to do an activity called the dog, the goose, and the bag of corn. Okay? We are looking at solving a problem using the scientific method. So, it's a problem-solving activity. The dog, the goose, and the bag of corn. A poor farmer is going to market with his old and very hungry dog and a plump goose to sell, and a bag of corn. The farmer knows that unless he is right there, either the dog will eat the goose or the goose will eat the corn. He is almost to market when he reaches a small stream which he must ford. That means he's got to cross the stream. So he has to wade in, he has to cross the stream, carrying one of the things he has brought with him each time. So he can only carry one thing at a time. How can he get the dog, the goose, and the bag of corn to the market safely and uneaten? So he has to carry these things across the stream one at a time. He can not leave the dog with the goose because the dog will eat the goose, and he can't leave the goose with the corn because the goose will eat the corn. All three things have to make it across safely. Okay? We're going to use the steps of the scientific method to take and solve this problem. So if you notice, we have ask a question, gather information, make a hypothesis, test the hypothesis. Well, the way you're going to test the hypothesis after you make one is you're going to use your cards. If you're at home, what you can take and do is just take on 3 pieces of paper, write corn, goose, and dog. I have it set up here with my cards. Here's my stream. I need to get all 3 of these across safely. So if I would move the dog first, I have a problem. Why is that a problem if I take the dog across? Because the goose would eat the corn. So that's not how it's going to start. So what you guys need to do is first off, take a look at, ask the question. What are you trying to find? Restate the question in your own words. So you're going to restate our question in our own words. We're going to gather information. Go up to this top portion here, look at the top portion, and tell me what information can you pull out from there. Then you're going to make a hypothesis. Your hypothesis needs to include, like, the steps. Like, my hypothesis is, first I would take blank across. Then I would take blank across. You need to tell me your order, specifically how you're going to move them. Put your hand down and just listen, please. How you're going to move them across. You're going to write your hypothesis as to how you will move them across. Then you will test your hypothesis using the cards. When you're done there, then you will do the back of this with the conclusion, communicate what your actual results were, and then answer the reflection question.